Today I'm going to talk about how you can possibly manage pre-orders in Shopify using the Kayo3PL app and still holding the integrity of our system to update your stock. So I'm going to navigate over to locations here. Under locations, what I've done is created a pre-order location as my base location. Okay. Now keep in mind you still have our stock location, Kayo3PL, but you now have your own kind of pre-orders. Okay. So you just go into here, you just change the name to pre-orders or add this location if you don't have it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to products, and under products I am going to click on one of my products here. And right now we have track location on, and I have it attached to one of my locations. I'm just going to put this back to 0. Okay. So the problem here is if you start changing this, when my update runs daily, it's going to overwrite it. Okay. That's just the way my system is built. That's the way how any inventory system is built. So what I recommend is what you do is you go to edit locations and you're going to add your pre-order location to it. Okay. Now in this location you're going to say, well, I have 50 available for pre-order. Okay. I will continue to update this location, but it's always going to be 0 until the goods come in. Okay. So let me just save this here. So I'm going to demonstrate what will happen. So your orders now, as they come in, will be removed from your pre-order location. So let me just show you as an example. I'm just going to enter in a fictitious order here. So yeah, in this case it actually prioritized my location first. So if I go into that product, um, you know what, I picked the wrong product here. Hold on, let me redo this. Let me go back and let me do another create order. Sorry, I just picked the wrong product there. I needed to pick this one, so I'm going to pick that one. I'm going to pick the right address. I'm going to create order. Sorry about that. Yeah, it actually brought it into my location. All right. If it brings it, if your orders come in with your pre-order location, what you'll have to do for every one of those orders that come in, you'll have to change location to, sorry, this is what it would look like potentially. So what you have to do is change location from the pre-orders location to my location when those orders come in. Okay, that will make the product, it will move the committed order from pre-order to me. Okay, so then when this item now becomes non-pre-order, you will have to come back into the item, edit location, and remove the pre-order location. Okay, now this order is fully under the control of my inventory system. Okay, you have to do that SKU by SKU as well. What you might want to do at a product level, you could also tag it, tag each and every item as a, I don't know, as pre-order, but also maybe as like a collection. So like let's just say spring 2025, right? So what this will also do for you is help you manage this a little bit better, because when you look at the products, you should be able to filter should be able to filter by tag. Oh yeah, right here, tag. And you can just filter by pre-order spring 2025. It will show you all of the products with that tag. Okay, and then you can come back into it, remove the pre-order location, and even remove the tag. So now you know that this is a live product. Okay? The trouble is, where I've seen clients go horribly wrong here, is by turning off our inventory sync and just managing their inventory manually. In my experience, in my professional experience, what happens is you tend to lose control. And you end up with a bunch of stock sitting in our location that you don't even know you have. And that often leads to business bankruptcy, especially in the e-commerce world. So I do not suggest we turn off inventory sync. I suggest you kind of manage it manually like this. On a side note, apparently Shopify sometime in the future will have a pre-order module, but we're all waiting patiently on that as well. The other thing too is if you want to know what items are in that pre-order location, a quick way to do it is go up to inventory here and search by that location, and it will tell you all of your stock in that pre-order location. So that's a quick way for you to know, and you can actually click right on the product, come into here, and the other thing too, it won't let you remove the pre-order location if you have a committed order. A committed order is an order that's unfulfilled. So what you got to do is go into that order, change location on it, maybe put it back into my location, and then go back into that item, and then edit location, and then remove. Okay, so there you have it. That's roughly how you manage pre-orders. There are some intricacies. There are some things that can and can't do. That is a very basic way that you could do it. Thank you very much.